mga kaboards, so ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa subject kong welding process. So there are several types of welding that are used today. First, there is shielded metal arc welding. Next, gas metal arc welding. And the last is the flux core arc welding. So let's focus muna sa shielded metal arc welding. Shielded metal arc welding uses a consumable electrode consisting of filler metal rod coated with chemicals that provide flux and shielding, sometimes called stick welding. So there are 5 types of weld joint: the corner joint, lap joint, edge joint, T-joint, and back joint. So I will show you example of back joint. And that's the end of my topic for today. So, enjoy! There are several types of welding that are used today. So, isa na dire.